Hi, here's another introductional video to the Uuni Pro, and in this one I'm going to show off the fantastic Uuni Pro gas burner attachment. So simple little unit, goes in through the back of the Uuni Pro, slides in and attaches to the bolts here at the back. Little turn on the Allen key and just to lightly secure it, and it's set in place. Then this part here, the regulator varies between different countries. In the UK it looks like this, but yours might look a little bit different. So this just simply clips on top of your gas bottle like that, and turn the gas on from the bottle side. Next up we're going to attach the pizza door. So this is the pizza door with the opening at the bottom of the door. So use this with your gas burner. First start by putting it into the hinges and flip on top so it stays in place, and then simply just move the wings there to secure it in place. Now you've noticed that I've been using the Uuni Pro without my gloves. When the Uuni Pro is running, always use the supplied gloves, because metal does get hot when it's lit. Once everything's in place, then simply just turn the control knob at the end of the gas burner until it clicks, and you've got a flame in there. Now it takes about 20 minutes to get to 500 degrees Celsius or 930 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready to cook.